Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's a boy Blue Boy FX. So this morning is pretty okay for us. So waking up, we were able to analyze some market and we actually landed with the crash 300, which gave us the perfect entry and more indications to why we should buy. And right now we are making profit on it. Okay, so as you can see, there's been spikes from our entry. It didn't even take long for the spikes to come. Immediately we got into the trade. I mean, 2 minutes later, we were able to get the first spike. Then multiple spikes has been coming and we are currently in profit. So here goes the VIP. So here goes the VIP where we gave out the signal this morning. So this is it. We gave the C300 for a sell. And yeah, we are banging profit already. So now I'm going to show you guys why we actually went into this trade. Okay, it's going to be a short video and I hope you enjoy it. So for those of you who haven't subscribed to this channel, do have to subscribe, like the video. I mean, you can share it to your trading friends. If you see something important that you love to share to your friends, share this link to your friends so that they can watch and you explain to them this is what I learned from this video. Okay, so you can also watch my previous videos. I mean, there are more insights to more of this. I mean, if you watch more and more, you can actually grab a thing or two. I'm talking about my recent videos. Okay, so we also have the mentorship class for those of you that wants to learn. You want to learn how to do this, okay, you can actually hit me up. Check the description of this video, you'll find the link to my WhatsApp, okay, and you also find the link to the free Telegram channel, which is free to join. Of course, we gave the signal out to the free Telegram channel. Here it is. Okay, so we gave out a free signal to the free Telegram channel, the batch B. Okay, so you can join here for free. Okay, it's free to join. Just check the description of this video, you find the link to the free Telegram channel, which is free to join. For the VIP, where we give signals every day, you check the description, you find my WhatsApp number. Hit me up on that number and I can manage your accounts for you, give you mentorship, or you can join the VIP signal channel. Okay, so let's try and get back into the video. So why did we go into this trade? Okay, so as I always say, you always have to start with your higher time frame. Why are we starting with the higher time frame? It gives you clarity of the market. I mean, okay, for instance, now this is the 30 minutes. Why are you seeing? I mean, you're just seeing these axes, these levels. But now let's go into the higher time frame. Now, what do you now see on the higher time frame? You've seen a whole lot. Number one, you've seen a trend. There is a downtrend, which is obvious on the higher time frame. Now going on daily, what do we see? We've seen more and more. Like, we can now use this to compare with other time frames before making our decisions. So currently we are running, let's start with the daily time frame. So what can you see? What you can see, what I myself too can see, is that on the daily, the previous daily, okay, that's yesterday's candle, closed with a huge rejection. I mean, take a look at these candles though. It has been a strong sell, okay. This one here, this one here, right here. And now, yesterday, the market was buying, okay. But before the close of business, okay, as far as trading is concerned, there was a huge pullback, which the sellers still had strong positions, strong hands in the market. Of course, you see the whole week here, okay, there was a very strong sell which pulled market down, even though it closed bullish, but this bullish is not that comfortable. So when today started, also before we got to enter the trade, we saw this, that there was a rejection from the previous candlestick. Okay, this rejection came, and now on the present daily we saw a rejection too. Okay, which means these sellers are not ready to give up on the market. Okay, they are not ready to give on the market. And now also adding up to the strong bearish candles that were printed 2 days ago and 3 days ago, okay, showed that, wow, the sellers are still there. That's number one thing that we noticed. Although even when we slid down, you see, it showed like this place was going to be a support, but we actually are still expecting market to sell down to that level. Now we go back to the 4 hours. Now it was on the 4 hours that I made my decision to go into this market. Okay, why? Because take a look at this. Over here is a resistance. Market sold down here, went all the way up, tested this position, couldn't break it. came down again, retested this position, couldn't break it. And when you have seen this consistency with the whole impossibilities of breaking that resistance, and now comparing also to the what we saw on the daily, okay, the printing of the strong bullish candles, okay, it gives you more clarity into the market as to why you can make a decision of buying or selling. So I actually made the decision to sell. Okay, I made the decision to sell because that was a very high level of rejection. So I know my SL is there, but ideally I would love, because I gave this signal was given to the VIPs. Of course, they have made money and they can actually decide to pull out. I mean, this position has given us about $20 already on each position. I've seen 100 plus, so they can actually make some money and pull out. But just in case it didn't go their way, I had to bring the SL closer to our entry so that not much will be lost. Okay, but ideally, if I were to set my SL, I will set it over here. Of course, I'm going to hold the trade. Okay, I'll hold it for it to come all the way down here. Okay, so it was on the H4 that I actually said, okay, fine, I'm going to get into this trade. Okay, this candle was very strong. Imagine this candle here was strong. It gave a huge pullback, and I said, why don't we go into this trade? So from there, we were able to add up some other things. I mean, the high H1. Okay, so you see that I decided to put my SL just where market started dropping from. Okay, just in case. Okay, so this is where we got into the trade from, but I put my SL here so that whatever be the case, it wouldn't go beyond here. But now we've been able to print all the way down here, but we still expect market to sell. Okay, we still expect the market to drop all the way down here first, then come to touch this position. So as I said earlier, this trade was solely entered because of what was seen on the H4. It's clearer on the H4 than on the H1. I mean, you can see this area here. It's more clearer, and we're in profit. So we're still looking out for other markets. I mean, we've seen the boom 1000. Okay, of course, I always have my analysis already on pending, so this analysis has been there for a while, but we still follow up to see what's gonna happen. Okay, so right now we've seen, I think we have a trend line there that was running. Okay, see this trend line here that is running, so it has broken market, broke that level. Okay, retested it, started dropping and got to this level, this support, and now it's going all the way up again. So maybe it's about to retest this level. I mean, buy up here, come here and start selling again. Okay, or it might just start reversing from there, but we don't know yet. We are just going to keep our eyes open and peeled to see what the market has to offer as far as that place is concerned. So it's a lovely morning already, and it's afternoon already, and we're still looking for more signals to give out. So we'll be giving out more signals when the time comes. Stay tuned. So we promised to give out more signals as time went on. After giving the C300, which we are still in profit on, okay, we'll be able to go very close to a bit close to our TP. So we're just waiting for a few more spikes. And we gave out the B500 for a sell. It hasn't been favorable, but we still believe it's going to go. Then we gave out the Boom 50, which we are matching in profit currently. Okay, you see that it's going down. So this is this is how it works over here, and we're still putting our eyes on more trades. So the Boom 50 that we gave out, the reason why we went into it was of this level. Market is ranging here. So the past few minutes is showing a pulling down sign. You've seen that it's a very long sell. It's a very long sell. Now let's see the daily. So the daily is showing us signs that okay, market is likely to reverse from here. Look at this place here, this point. Okay, reversal. Now day one, H4, printing massive bearish candles. Okay, so where is that retest that we are looking at happening? We are looking, see the retest here. planned to set to buy, people went in and started dropping. Okay, so that's the retest. It has gone back to retest this support that's probably here. Okay, this place here. Let's see if the H1 will show it clearly. This position here, go to retest this position, okay, before coming down again. So before it gets to the final destination, which you've set here, okay, then by then we'll make profit out of it. So that is how we're trading. That's the reason I went into it. So your accounts are saved, your accounts are saved with us. We are here to make money with you. So hit me up and let's do this together.